Eating this fruit daily keeps bad cholesterol at bay. This is good news for avocado lovers out there. Eating an avocado per day, as part of a heart-healthy and cholesterol-lowering moderate-fat diet, can help improve bad cholesterol levels in overweight individuals. This is according to a new research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association. Research. The researchers evaluated the effect avocados have on traditional cardiovascular risk factors by replacing saturated fatty acids from an average diet with unsaturated fatty acids from avocados. The research consisted of 45 healthy and overweight patients ranging in age from 21 to 70. The participants were placed on 3 different cholesterol-lowering diets. 2 weeks prior to the new diet, the participants consumed an average American diet. Then the participants were randomly placed on a 5-week lower-fat diet without avocado, a 5-week moderate-fat diet without avocado, or a 5-week moderate-fat diet with 1 avocado per day. The study found that an avocado per day helps lower triglycerides, LDL cholesterol and overall cholesterol. The researchers also found out that LDL cholesterol was lowest on the participants with moderate-fat diet that included 1 avocado per day. They also found that this diet resulted in overall lower triglycerides, cholesterol and other cardiovascular risk factors. In the US, avocados are not a staple in the standard American diet. Many people are struggling with ways to incorporate avocados into their diet, outside of guacamole. Adding avocados to sandwiches, salads or even dessert are great ways to incorporate more of this nutritious fruit. What happens to your body when you eat avocados every day? Avocados might be high in calories and fat and calories, but they are also one of the best foods you can eat. This is because they are loaded with nutrients and heart-healthy compounds. Here are 5 great reasons to eat them regularly. Health benefits of avocado. 1. You lower your cholesterol level. The oleic acid in avocados help reduce the cholesterol levels and increase feelings of fullness. Studies have shown that people eating an avocado-rich diet have a significant decrease in their total cholesterol levels, including a decrease in their LDL cholesterol. Their levels of HDL cholesterol or the healthy cholesterol increased. 2. You can easily manage your weight. Recent studies have shown that avocados help in maintaining a healthy body mass index or BMI. Adding avocados to your meals can extend the feeling of fullness and reduce your desire to overeat. Each avocado fruit contains about 14 grams of fiber, which helps in reducing your waistline. 3. You get antioxidant. Avocados are a good source of lutein, a carotenoid antioxidant, and helps protect against eye disease. Also, avocados contain the related carotenoids, alpha-carotene, zeaxanthin, beta-carotene and tocopherol or vitamin E. 4. You help prevent osteoporosis. Just half of an avocado provides approximately 25% of the daily recommended intake for vitamin K. Vitamin K is a nutrient that is essential for bone health. It is often overshadowed by vitamin D and calcium when thinking of nutrients important for maintaining healthy bones. 5. You boost your meal's flavor. Avocados are a healthy way to boost the texture and flavor of your meals. You can add chopped avocado on your salad, bowl of soup and as condiment, avocado fudge bites. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons melted coconut butter, 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 1/4 cup mashed ripe avocado, 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, pinch of salt, stevia to taste. Instructions: 1. Blend all ingredients together until smooth. 2. Spread into a plastic container. Then freeze until set, for at least 3 hours. 3. Either scoop into balls using a mini cookie scoop or cut into fudge. Coating. If you want to coat them in chocolate, follow these. 1. Combine equal parts virgin coconut oil, pure maple syrup and cocoa powder, until a thin sauce forms. 2. Dip in the fudge balls. 3. Set back in the freezer to harden. Leftovers should be placed in the freezer or fridge for up to 3 days.